Keep ants out of your lawn and garden year after year by combining targeted baiting, habitat modification, and routine monitoring. Start with regular baiting using slow-acting protein and sugar baits, alternating every 3 to 4 weeks during warm months so foraging workers carry poison back to the nest and eliminate colonies at the source. Apply granular insecticide material only in narrow bands along foundations, walkways, and planting beds rather than broad broadcast treatments to reduce non-target exposure and preserve beneficial insects. Increase organic soil matter by adding compost and mulches that are not piled against plant stems or foundation walls, and rake mulch back 1 to 2 inches from structures to remove sheltered runways and discourage nesting. Physically block entry by sealing cracks in concrete and foundation with polyurethane caulk, and by installing tight-fitting door sweeps and mesh screens over vents and weep holes to deny ants indoor access. Integrate a simple weekly monitoring routine. Walk the property for 10 to 15 minutes looking for trails, fresh soil mounds, or increased ant traffic at dusk, and mark hotspots on a sketch or photo so you can target follow-up treatments. Rotate bait types between protein-based and sugar-based to match seasonal foraging preferences and to avoid bait shyness, and always follow labeled directions for placement and timing. 3 common mistakes undermine long-term control and how to fix them. Treating only when ants are obvious lets colonies expand unseen, so schedule preventative baiting in peak activity seasons and keep monitoring even when activity is low. Over-reliance on barrier sprays or broad applications harms beneficial organisms and pushes ants into untreated refuges, so use spot treatments and baiting focused on nests and foraging pathways instead. Ignoring landscaping practices such as mulch piled to grade, excessive irrigation, and piled construction debris creates continual nesting habitat, so maintain a dry perimeter around foundations, thin mulch layers, and remove yard debris promptly to reduce nesting opportunities. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers resources for sustainable pest management, so we can help you find professionals experienced in long-term ant strategies. Our site also helps contractors find work and join conversations in our active discussion community where we share tips, product experiences, and local seasonal advice.